Find a comfortable seated position of your choice. Do what feels good for your body. Take a long, deep breath in through your nose and exhale out through your mouth. Gently let your arms rest on your legs with your palms face up. When it feels good to you, softly close your eyes. Use this moment as a powerful way to get ready for the wonderful things you will be blessed with today. After a good night's rest, a new, exciting adventure, a new experience awaits. Today, we are thankful for the chance to live our best life. Another day to spread our vision and dreams into the world. It's a brand new day, like a blank canvas. With each breath you take, you draw in many different colors. It's your soul spreading its dreams, its emotions, and its vibes into the universe. Imagine your breath as a sign of your presence in the world. With each breath, you make a statement for this brand new day. You are here and now. You are present. You are living in the present moment. Take a long, deep breath in through your nose. Smile. And take a long, deep breath out. Now visualize a ray of bright, shining light in the sky. You could feel its warmth touching your heart, touching your head. Its warmth charging you up, giving you its energy for this brand new day. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Exhale out of the mouth, and if it feels right to you, say, I am present. Listen to the sound of your voice, to your commitment to be present, to coming to life. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Exhale out the mouth and say, I am present. Feel the power of your words, the vibrations in your chest, the clarity taking over all through your body. One more time. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Exhale out of the mouth and say out loud, I am present. Use your breath to inhale peace and positivity, and exhale out any negativity and whatever makes you feel uncomfortable. Inhale peace and positivity to live a brand new day, and exhale out any fear, any stress, any worry. Whatever shows up, you're ready. You are the observer. Breathe into it. Let it all go. Anything that doesn't feel right to you are like black spots on your blank canvas. Cleanse it with your breath. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Breathe in and let it all go. Deep breath in. And deep breath out. You are present in this moment, thankful for this brand new day, to be who you are, to create the life of your dreams. And now you are ready. Your day is going to be great. Thank you so much for joining us today for this meditation. If this guided meditation has served you, please help us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel so we can create more wonderful content to touch more people. Thank you for your presence. Namaste.